Hey there, everybody. Andrew Anderson here, and I just want to give you a tip on when you're running your 5-day challenges. I know a lot of people are doing this, and one of the best ways that I know of is we're going to talk about this is to make sure that everybody that signs up for your challenge to become an affiliate. Now, this is an educational program. It's called Skip Your Next Heart Attack Challenge given by Dr. Gina Pritchard. She's one of the premier experts on heart attack and stroke prevention. This is an educational 5-day challenge that really helps people get up to speed on what's going on with the latest science and research in heart attacks and stroke prevention, and she even goes into diabetes and cancer and some other things. So what happens is when people sign up for the challenge, and this is a pretty typical, easy to follow landing page for it. So it goes through day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then special offer, act quickly. And she goes through this. So you select your challenge, and this is pretty typical. So the VIP, where you get asked questions, is $297, and the regular one is $97, right? And then you get everything that's there. She has her frequently asked questions. It's ADA compliant, which you want to have, and it's super duper fast. So when people log into the account here, and this is an admin account, I just want to show this to you. When everybody signs up for it, they're automatically become an affiliate, right? So what happens is if they want to refer a friend, they get to do so. So this one we haven't referred any, obviously, but this one, what is she paying? I think a 50% affiliate fee for the challenge, which is pretty much normal because the thing of it is she wants to get the word out to as many people as possible to help people from dying from heart attacks and strokes and getting dementia and diabetes, right? So, and then in the profile here, there hasn't been any sales yet, but what happens is when you automatically do this, so this can be the referral generator, or in this case, because we are first one to sign up, and you should always test your stuff, so you can do that. And then the identifier here, if you want to change this, we could change this to like your first name. Could be like Andrew or Bill or anything else. And what happens is this is all done automatically. And the other thing you want to do is if you want to have a coupon code. So let's say, hey, listen, if they're paying out 50%, I don't care. I just want my friends to go in there. What if I were to give a 50% coupon code? Now they don't have to do this. It just depends on the affiliate manager. But let's say that if I really care about my friends, which I do, I don't care about making money off of them. I mean, I always care about making money. Don't let me get it wrong, but it's more important to do it. So I may give them a 25%, request a 25% coupon. So when they type in Andrew, they get 25% off the normal price. And so I benefit from doing the referral. And here's the other thing too, is if you love somebody and you want them to pay attention to you, make sure they pay for it, because free advice, no matter how valuable it is ignored. And that's why I suggest don't do free challenges like this, because people don't pay. If you don't pay, they don't pay attention. And if it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense. So if you really want to help someone, charge them for it. And if you really love them, charge them through the nose so that they can't be distracted with all the other things, so they have to pay attention to what's going on there. So anyway, this is just some basics, and this is part of what we do in the Automate Your challenge that we're putting together. Quote unquote, I'm putting this out there because if you do this, and no, this is not ClickFunnels. I don't work in ClickFunnels if I can avoid it. This is our IQ My Site system, but you can do this with anything. And I'm honestly technology agnostic. We will use the best tool possible. We don't stay with things that are old and broken. And most of the funnel building and landing page software is legacy and it's old, and it costs people tens of millions of dollars every month because they haven't switched over. And I know it's hard, but for instance, if your site doesn't load in less than 3 seconds, you're losing 50 to 100% of your traffic. Basically, if you're getting 100 people in your webinar or regular 5-day challenge, by having a faster system and a landing page, you could double the people in your webinar. So how much is that costing you every month or every week or however often you're doing it. Andrew Anderson signing off here. When you're doing your 5-day challenge, make your customer an automatic affiliate and then give them a reason to do it, especially if you're doing something like this where you're actually helping people get a result. I mean, this one is involved with saving people's lives. And I mean, I don't know how much bigger of an impact you have. And if you're interested in this, sign up for it. I'm not even going to put my affiliate link in there for you guys. Just sign up for it. It's at skipyournextheartattack.com is the website. And if you know somebody that has a heart attack or a stroke or they want to avoid it, go check it out. It's well worth the money. And remember, if they pay, they will pay attention. If it's free, they don't. Hope you have a great day. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know. Thank you. Have a good one. The cool thing about this is, and I hope you can tell that I'm excited about it, is I'm going to start handing out a ton of the secrets that we've used to help clients bring in tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of clients and money for themselves. So if you like this, let me know, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.